Hello, grade 7. How are you today? I hope that you all are fine. Before we start, I want you to open your student books, page 121. In today's lesson, we are going to take new vocabulary about the weather. So, the vocabulary are going to be related to the weather. So, let's start. Before we take these words, I want you to look at these pictures and guess what are they? What are these pictures? Yes, these are pictures that tell you how the weather is going to be like. How is the weather going to be like? So let's start now. Work with a partner, match the pictures to some of these adjectives. So these are adjectives about the weather. These are adjectives. I will read them now. Cloudy, cold, dry, foggy, hot, icy, snowy, stormy, sunny, warm, wet or rainy, and windy. So these are the new vocabulary. We are going to match these pictures with these words. So one picture may take more than one word. So one picture may take more than one word of these words or these adjectives. What is this picture? What do you think this picture is about? What is this? Yes, it's sun. So when you see this picture, you will guess that the weather is going to be sunny. The weather is going to be sunny. So we write letter A here. And what do you think that the weather is going to be? Look at this temperature. Look at the temperature here. What do you think? Yes, it's hot. The weather is going to be hot. When there's sun, so the weather is going to be hot. What else? When the sun is there, can you see any rain? When the weather is sunny? No. So, if it's sunny, so is the weather wet or dry? Yes, it's dry. So we write A here. What else? Maybe it's hot and maybe it's just warm. Maybe it's not that hot. Maybe there's sun. It's just warm. So these are the words for this picture. So picture A goes with dry, hot, sunny, and warm. Now let's go to picture B. What are these? Yes, these are clouds. So when you see these clouds, what do you think the weather is going to be? Yes, it's going to be cloudy. When you see all these clouds, the weather is going to be cloudy. So we put here letter B. Now let's see picture C. Picture C, what are these? Yes, these are clouds and this is rain. So when there's rain, the weather is what? Yes, it's rainy or wet. Wet means that there's water and it's wet or rainy. So we put letter C here. What about this picture? What do you think this rose tells you? Yes, what do they tell you? They tell you that there's wind. Ooh, there's wind here. So how's the weather is going to be like? Yes, it's windy. So we put here letter D. Now let's see picture E. As you can see here, we have clouds, but they are not so clear. We have fog here, as you can see. When there is so much fog, so the weather is going to be foggy. The weather is going to be foggy. So we write letter E here. What about this picture? What do you see here? What are they? These are snowflakes. So the weather is going to be what? Yes, it's going to be snowy here because we have snow, and when there's snow, there's ice. So it's going to be icy. And when the snow and the ice are there will be storms. So it's going to be stormy. So it's going to be, it's going to be cold. It's not stormy. It's going to be cold, like this. Here, maybe we can say that there's a storm, but it doesn't tell you that there is so many storms because stormy weather has another sign. So these are the answers of these pictures, as you can see here. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Look at this one here. Now match the adjectives to these nouns. We have these nouns. We want to match them with these adjectives. I will write the word beside them. This is a noun, cloud. This is a cloud. And the adjective of the noun cloud is cloudy. So cloud, I will write here, cloudy. Fog. Fog is the noun and the adjective is foggy, like this. The adjective is foggy. When we have the ice, ice is a noun and the adjective is icy. The adjective is icy, like this. I will put some words here. Okay, now if we have this, what's this? It's rain. Rain is a noun and the adjective is rainy. The adjective is rainy. And when we have snow, what do we have? We have snow. Snow is a noun and the adjective is snowy. The adjective is snowy. And when we have the sun, sun is a noun. This is the sun. The weather is, what's the adjective? Sunny. So we write here, sunny. What do we have here? Storm. Storm. When there's a storm, what do you think that the adjective is going to be? Storm is a noun and the adjective is stormy. So we write here stormy. And the last one, we have wind. And what is the adjective? It's windy. The adjective is windy. So these are the answers of question 1A and 1B, as you can see here. 1A and 1B. These are the nouns and these are the adjectives. Now let's go to exercise 2. Exercise 2 says, complete the sentences with the correct forms of the words given. We have words given here. We want to complete the sentence with the correct form. This means that these words, sometimes we will leave them as nouns and sometimes we will change them as what? As adjectives, according to what the sentence needs. Let's start. Number 1, at the moment, it is what? It is rain or it is rainy? It's rainy. We are describing the weather, so we should put here what? An adjective. So at the moment, it's rainy. So we write the word rainy here. It's rainy. Sorry. It's rainy, like this. Now let's go to number 2. It's very here in August. It's very sun here in August, or it's very sunny. Yes, it's very sunny because we have to put an adjective here. We are describing the weather. So it should be sunny. So we write the word sunny here. Number 3, yesterday it was, we have wind. Do we say it was wind or it was windy? Yes, it was windy because we are describing how the weather was yesterday. So we put an adjective, and it's windy. Now number 4, there's usually snow here in January. There is usually snow or snowy. Yes, we should put a noun. There is snow. There is usually snow. So we should put here what? The word snow, as you can see here. Now let's go to question number 5. Here we never have big, stormy, or storm. Yes, we should put storm because we have big storms. So we have big storms. So we put the word storms. It should be a noun here. Number 6, we don't have much fog or foggy here. We don't have much. We have to put here what? Much. We have to put a noun. So we say we don't have much fog here. We don't have much fog. So we put the word fog. Now let's go to number 7. It's here in July. It's what? Usually when we are describing the weather, we say it's. So it's or it was. So whenever you see it's, you should put after it a what? Yes, an adjective. So it's cloudy here in July. It's cloudy because we have it's. When we are describing the weather, we say it's or it was. We don't have a lot of what here. We said that after a lot of, we should put what? Yes, a noun. So we should put the word rain. We don't have a lot of rain. So this is the answer of this question. You should differentiate between the noun and the adjectives. Whatever you see, it's, you should put after it's or it was what? An adjective. And if we have much or a lot of, or there is, or have, big what? So we put here a noun. These are the answers of this page on the student book. Write them on your books, please. And don't forget to memorize all of these words very carefully. Now let's go to the workbook exercises, page 85. Workbook exercises, page 85. In the workbook exercises here, we have this puzzle. As you can see here, we have this puzzle. In this puzzle, as you can see, we have clues. These are the clues. We are going to go with these clues so we can know the words here. These are across like this, and we have down like this. Let's start with number 1. Number 1 across, it's like this. It says the fields are cold and white. So it's what? When the fields and the grounds are cold and white. What do you think? There's a snow. So it's, yes, it's snowy. So we write here the word snowy and we put the word snowy here. Like this. Number 2. We have number 2. Let's go to number 2 here. Okay, let's go to number 2 here. It's down. Number 2 is down. The leaves fall off the trees when it's what? When it's what? The leaves fall from the trees. What do you think? What do you think? When it's what? The leaves fall off the trees when it starts with letter W. When it's, yes, when it's windy. So we write here the word windy and we write it here. We have here the word windy. So we write here windy like this. Now let's go to number 3. Sentence number 3 says, You can skate, but it's hard to walk when it's what? We have three words here. So, we skate on what? We skate on ice. So, what is the adverb? Sorry, the adjective of the ice? When it's icy. Yes, you can't walk when it's icy. So we put the word icy here and write icy here. Number four is down 2. Here is this is number 4. It's like this. Okay, let's read it. It's so what? You can't see far in front of you. It's so what? When you can't see far in front of you, there's what? There's so much fog. So it's so what? What's the adjective? Yes, it's the word foggy. You can't see, so it's foggy. And we write the word foggy here. It's foggy. Now let's go to number 5. Number 5 is a cross. It's like this. Let's see what is the sentence. It's going to rain. The sky is what? The sky is what? When you see something in the sky, what is it? Yes, when you see the clouds, you say that it's going to rain. So the sky is cloudy. Yes, the sky is cloudy. So we write here cloudy like this. Now let's see number 6. It's 40 Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius. This is the degree of the temperature even under the trees. That is what? So we write the word hot here and the word hot here. Now let's see number 7. Number 7 is it's not cold and not hot, just nice and what? Okay, when the weather is not cold and not hot, just nice and what? It's between cold and hot. What is it? Yes, it's warm. So it's nice and warm. So this is the word number 7. Here's number 7. So we write here the word warm, as you can see here. Okay, number 8. You are going to need your sunglasses. It's what? When do we wear our sunglasses? When do we wear them? Who can tell me? Look at the word here. You are going to need your sunglasses. When do we need our sunglasses? Who can tell me? We have 2-8 here, I guess. We wear our sunglasses when it's sunny. So number 8 down is what? Is the word sunny. So we write here sunglasses when it's sunny. As you can see here, we have 2 8s. We have 8 down and 8 across. 8 down is sunny. So we write here the word sunny. Now let's see number 8 across. There's rain and wind. The sea is dangerous. It's what? There's rain and wind. The sea is dangerous. When the sea is dangerous, when we have what? When we have storms. So the weather is what? It's what? It's stormy. So we write here the word stormy like this, and the word stormy here. Stormy. Okay, number 9. It's the wet season. It's the wet season. So it's what? When it's wet, there's water. And when there's water, there's rain. So it's rainy. So it's rainy. and we write the word rainy here. It's rainy. Okay, the last one is number 10. Number 10 says, there was no rain last month. The land is what? When there's no rain, so there's no water. So something that has no water is dry. So the land is dry. And we write the word dry here. So this is the answer of question number 1. Now let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 says, choose the correct alternative. So we have 2 alternatives and we want to choose the correct one. Let's start from number 1. Look, it's not going to rain or fall today, so you don't need a raincoat. When you don't need a raincoat, when it's not going to rain. So the answer is rain. There were big black clouds or cloudy in the sky yesterday. There were. So we say we have to put a noun. So is it clouds or cloudy? Yes, it's the word clouds. Now number 3. I really don't like storming or stormy weather. Do you? When we are describing the weather, do we say storming weather or stormy weather? Yes, it should be stormy. So we circle stormy. Number 4. Don't go out on your bike when the roads are cold or icy. We said that we can't walk when there's ice on the road. So when the roads are icy. Number 5. When it's wet and wind or windy, the cat stays at home. When it's wet and we have an adjective here, and we should put an adjective here also. So when it's wet and windy. So we choose the word windy. Number 6. Jake said it was snow or snowy in Seattle last night. What do you think? Because we have it was, so we are describing the weather. And we are describing the weather, we should put an adjective. So what's the adjective here? Is it snow or snowy? Excellent, it's snowy. So we circle the word snowy. This is the answer of this question. Now let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 says, match the questions with the answers. We have the questions here and we have the answers here. Let's start reading the first question. The first question is, was it wet here yesterday? Was it wet here yesterday? What is the suitable one? Let me read the answers. We are talking about if it's wet, if it was wet yesterday. I don't need it, it's sunny. No, I don't think so. Yes, the fields are white all winter. No, it was too stormy. Or yes, it rained all day. Or no, the ground is icy because it's foggy. We said that when there's wet, it's wet, so there's rain. So what is the suitable one? Yes, it rained all day. It rained all day. Yes, it rained all day. When there's rain, so it's wet. So this is the correct answer, 1 with D. Now let's go to number 2. Question number 2. Can we play football? This is the question. Can we play football? What do you think? When can't we walk and play on the when the floor or the ground is wet? When there's ice on the ground. So no, the ground is icy. This is the correct answer. So no, the ground is icy. Number 3. Does it snow much here? We said that whenever there's snow, wherever there's snow, we have white. We have white floors and white grounds. So what do you think the answer? Does it snow much here? Yes, the fields are white all winter. When the fields are white, there's snow. So the answer is B. Number 4, why is he driving slowly? Why is he driving slowly? Look, if you didn't understand this, you can find the answer by why. When we are asking in why, what's when we are asking in why, the uh, answer should be in because. So why is he driving slowly? Because it's foggy, and when there's fog you can't see anything, so you have to drive slowly. You can't see far, you just see in front of you. So the answer is F. Number 5, have you got your raincoat? Have you got your raincoat? This is the question. What's the answer? Look, I don't need it. They are talking about the raincoat. I don't need it. Why? Because it's sunny. I don't need it. It's sunny. So when it's sunny, we don't need the raincoat. So the answer is A. Now, let's see question number 6. Did you enjoy the boat trip? We said that the boat is in the sea, and wherever there's sea, look, no, it was too stormy. When there is a storm, the water in the sea moves so badly. So, did you enjoy the boat trip? The answer is no, it was too stormy. So, this is the answer. As you can see here, this is the answer. So, these are the answers of this question. About question number 4, I want you to do it by yourself. These are questions, so complete the sentences so they are true for you. You can't complete these blanks with your answers. Now let's do question number 5. Question number 5, complete the table with weather adjectives. We have the season here. You know that we have 4 seasons in the year, and the weather. Look, we have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. In spring, how's the weather? The weather sometimes in the spring, as we are in spring now, sometimes it's rainy. And sometimes it's what? Sometimes it's cloudy. And sometimes it's stormy. So in spring, sometimes it's rainy or cloudy or stormy. In summer, sometimes it's sunny. And so when it's sunny, it's dry. And it's what in the summer when there is sun or it's sunny, it becomes hot. So we write the word hot here. And now let's see the autumn. In autumn, how is the weather in autumn? Maybe it's windy in autumn, or maybe it's foggy, or maybe it's not cold and it's not hot. It's what? It's warm. It's warm. Now let's go to the winter season. In the winter season, how is the weather? The weather in the winter season is what? Maybe it's what? It's cold. Yes, the weather is cold. So we write here the word cold. It's winter, so it's cold. What about here in the winter? It's cold, or maybe it's snowy, or maybe it's icy. So these are the answers for each season. Like this, we finish the workbook exercise here. Please, grade 7, write these on your workbooks and send them to me. And remember to memorize everything that you. Wish you all the best and have a nice day.